Good afternoon, people. Robbie Ray here today out on the Chatahoochee River. What do we got today? We got swivel, 2-ounce sinker in between the swivel, float tied behind, circle hook filled with Papa Ray Super Reds. What does that do? Remember, weight on the bottom keeps my bait suspended a little bit for them catfish to easy access. Papa Ray worms. Let's see if we can get it done today out here on the Chatahoochee River. Bye-bye. Well. Little bitty one, but a fish nonetheless. Let's see if we can't get him off the hook and get him ready for the next phase of this adventure. The grease. Ha! We're not gonna let him go back. No, not today. Let's see what's going on here. I think it's a small one, but nonetheless, another fish. Caught on Santee Cooper rig and Papa Ray's red worms. Dun da da! Ha! Captain Robbie catching the fish. Ha! Come on and go with me. Bye bye. Oh boy. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh no, he came off. He broke off. Again, a faulty hook set. My hook broke off. Oh my gosh. Oh. We might get a couple more before the day's over. Just been spinning my boat around. Oh boy. Oh, come here. Santee Cooper, Papa Ray, super worms, super reds, grown right here in Sand Hill, Auburn, Alabama. Bam. Catch a fish. Hey, remember, go fishing when you can because it is good for you.